Hi, I'm Michael with the Volo Auto Museum. Most people only see our vehicles when they're glistening under the studio lights, but here's a behind-the-scenes look at what it takes to get them to that level. A few years ago, we built a brand new $2 million, 10,000 square foot facility that houses all of our mechanic and detail bays. We then took it a step further by filling it with some of the most skilled technicians in the business. Now I'd like to take this opportunity to familiarize you with our team.
Hey, I'm Mark, I work in the shop.
How's it going? I'm Rick and mechanic at the shop.
Hi, my name's Austin and I work in the shop.
How you doing? I'm Dustin. I'm the new tech here, newest tech, and I have the dream job. I get to play with everybody's dream cars all day, and couldn't ask for anything better.
Hey, what's up? I'm Marco. I'm a detail specialist here at the Volo Auto Museum.
Hi, I'm John. I work at the world famous Volo Auto Museum.
Hi, my name is Eduardo, and I'm a detailer at Volo Museum.
I'm George. I'm one of the service managers here at the Volo Museum.
Hi, I'm Phil, and I'm the facility manager here at Volo.
For starters, every one of our vehicles goes through a thorough inspection by our shop manager to check if anything needs to be repaired or placed. We do everything from changing a light bulb or swapping an engine even on occasion. There's nothing stopping our skilled technicians from delivering you some of the finest functioning classics on the road. Not only do our cars run great, but they look great too. Now it's on to the detail side of the shop. We use only top-of-the-line commercial-grade products, making sure even the smallest specifics are attended to. We start by getting any grease or road grime off the undercarriage, then use the same process on the engine bay. From there, it's a spray foam wash, followed by a buff and polish that'll make this classic shine like jewelry. After that, a thorough deep cleaning of the interior will have you sitting pretty. Some changes are subtle and others more profound, and that's all part of what makes our product different and better than anything else you're seeing on the market. We transform every single vehicle into a mechanically sound and glistening showstopper that is ready to impress wherever it rolls. The work here isn't just maintenance, it's a passion for what our technicians know and love, a passion to preserve history for future generations to embrace and enjoy. Now that the vehicles are ready to show and go, it's a short trip to our studio where we take pictures and record videos, giving a proper and honest evaluation, letting the new owner know exactly what they are getting. Now that you've got a behind-the-scenes look of the Volo Auto Museum's detail and mechanic shop, you can go on our website, volocars.com, and start searching for your dream ride. Again, that's VOLOCARS.com to make your automotive ambitions a reality. Thanks for watching.